Have you ever thought rubbing alcohol on cold sores? Seems like a strange thing to do, right? But what if I told you it could treat your cold sores and overall well-being? And how can it be used to clean mattress, kill head lice, or to freshen up your shoes? Alcohol isn't only for drinking. It very well may be put to a large group of different purposes too around the house to keep things perfect and sterile. So, join us as we explore best 15 life hacks of alcohol to make your life even easier. And for the best part, make sure to watch till the end. Number 10. Sanitized devices. Phones, laptops, TVs, controllers, keyboards, all of these things get a lot of use in modern life. For most of us, they could do with more regular cleaning. Throughout the days, weeks, and months, they pick up a lot of dirt. There are over 25,000 bacteria per square inch of your cell phone, more than 10 times the average toilet seat. And that's only one device. You might be reaching for a tissue or glass cleaner right now, but hold on. Rather than using traditional cleaning products, a few drops of isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth will wipe away almost all of that built-up bacteria. At this low level, alcohol is completely safe to use, instantly brightening up your screens and making them more hygienic too. Number 9. Remove fingerprints. Brand new, squeaky clean stainless steel appliances look fantastic in kitchens. The only problem is they are quick to pick up fingerprints, which can be a hassle to remove. Instead of spending hours wiping down these surfaces with cleaning detergent, alcohol is much more effective. Dipping a cloth into a 1:1 solution of water and alcohol will do the trick. You'll be able to wipe away fingerprints, water spots, and other marks, leaving the appliances looking as good as new. The best cloth for removing fingerprints without leaving a trace is a microfiber cloth. These use much less water and chemicals than other cloths, and are able to pick up smaller particles of dirt without leaving smudges. Number 8. Deodorized shoes. Our shoes go everywhere we do, picking up whatever happens to be on the ground. On the inside too, sweat and bacteria build up over time to make an off-putting odor. Luckily, there is a comprehensive way to both disinfect and deodorize our shoes. First, mix a solution of 3 parts isopropyl alcohol with 1 part water. If you are using rubbing alcohol, then that means it's already mixed. Use this solution with a cloth to rub the outside of the shoes clean. This will get rid of dirt, bacteria, and plenty of marks on the surface. Next, put the solution inside a spray bottle and give those shoes a few squirts inside. It won't have that minty air freshener smell, but what it does do is much more important. The alcohol will kill bacteria living inside the shoes, which is the real source of the smell. Before you know it, your shoes will look and smell like they are fresh out of the box. Number 7. Clean sponges. We use sponges for cleaning dishes, stovetops, and everything around the kitchen. Because they are constantly in contact with cleaning detergent, it's easy to forget that they need to be cleaned too. Over time, they gather billions of bacteria that are immune to the relatively soft soap used for dishwashing. Even worse, these bacteria can end up being transferred onto dishes and other surfaces. The best way to give your sponge a thorough cleaning is to let it soak in a bowl of rubbing alcohol, killing germs and bacteria. The best part? You won't have to buy a new sponge. Number 6. Kill head lice. If you have small children, then at least one outbreak of lice is virtually guaranteed. They pick these up from other kids at school and bring them home to share. But did you know that you can use isopropyl alcohol to kill these little critters off? First of all, you should not apply this directly to the scalp. The alcohol is so strong that it can cause irritation, allergic reactions, or even burns. Instead, you can soak a comb into the alcohol before gently brushing it through your child's hair. This helps to kill the lice safely. If you want a more comprehensive treatment, though, you can get benzyl alcohol lotion, which has been approved by the FDA for treating head lice. Number 5. Disinfect your sink. Even after a thorough cleaning of a sink, one microbiologist found that there were still 45,000 original bacteria samples left behind. To truly disinfect, alcohol is your best friend. For all of these hacks, you want to find isopropyl alcohol, which is about 70% concentration. Making a solution of 60% alcohol and 40% water is enough to kill off those stubborn bacteria that refuse to leave the sink. Spraying this solution in the sink and wiping it with a microfiber cloth is most effective, especially on steel and chrome finishes. You don't have to wash it with water. Instead, you can let it sit for some time. But be careful when using the solution. It is alcohol after all. You want to be in a well-ventilated area far away from heat sources. Number 4. Peel stickers. Stickers are so easy to slap onto a surface but can be a nightmare to get off. Often the sticker is either too tightly stuck or breaks halfway through peeling, leaving a mess to slowly scrape off. Well, good news. There is a better way. And, you guessed it, it involves alcohol. After soaking a cloth in an alcohol solution, get ready for the magic. Simply rub the cloth over the sticker, making sure to wet every part of it. Nothing appears to be happening, but that alcohol is eating through the adhesive glue. After just a few seconds, you should be able to peel the sticker away. If it still refuses to budge, then leaving the soaked rag on the sticker for a few minutes will work. Number 3. Make ice packs. Forget going to the store and buying ice packs. You can now make them yourself at home. All you have to do is combine 1 part rubbing with 3 parts water in an airtight plastic bag. Then, push as much air out as you can and seal it shut before putting it in the freezer for an hour. After that, you'll have your very own ice pack. These are essentially the same ingredients used in gel packs you can buy from stores. Since the majority of the solution is water, it will freeze into ice, but not rock solid. Instead, it will be adjustable, meaning you can bend the bag around whichever part of your body is injured. Just make sure to put a layer of tablecloth over the ice pack first so that it's not too cold. Number 2. Treat cold sores. A cold sore popping up on your lip is always embarrassing. There's nowhere to hide it, and you want it gone as soon as possible. Well, you're not alone. Around 90% of adults test positive for the virus that produces cold sores. That doesn't change how inconvenient they are, though. Along with medication and treatment, alcohol can also be used to fight off the common sores. Rubbing alcohol on a cold sore helps it to dry out quicker and fast-track the healing process. Using a 70% concentration is recommended. That means 7 parts alcohol with 3 parts water. Another effect of alcohol is that it can reduce inflammation and redness. Applying small drops of an alcohol solution each day will do the trick. Number 1. Spray mattresses. Having a good night's sleep is essential for feeling fresh and healthy the next day. Unfortunately, many of us struggle too, and the reason for that might be hiding in your bed. Things like dead skin, sweat, germs, dust mites, or even bed bugs could be lurking underneath your mattress and irritating your skin, making you restless. To clean it properly, you have to use alcohol. First, put all of your bedding and pillows in the wash, spread some baking soda on the mattress, and leave it for 20 minutes. After that, vacuum up any loose debris. Then, make a mix of 70% alcohol with water before spraying and scrubbing. This will help to remove odors, microorganisms, and any remaining bacteria. Did you know that alcohol had so many useful purposes? If you have any other uses, leave us a comment and let us know. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.